Hi, and today we are going to build our Numberblocks Mathlink Cubes. 11 to 20! The box will open from here. We do have cards, so let's put them over here. And we have more cards. They're just Numberblock cards. So I'll put them over here. We have face plates that we need, so I'll put them out at the side. I've already put stickers on. We've got blocks. Let's put them up into 2x5 tiles here because they look okay. They're 5, only 5. Split. Split again. Split. More splitting. And now is the last time we're going to split. Over here and over here. So let's count the blocks. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. So 20 has color blocks, but these ones are only white, 90 white blocks. You can see the blocks here, 40. Here, 40 more. So that's 80. And one more is 90. You can see all the 90 white blocks here. Let's put these in the set back over there. And now here 20, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 155 because we had a 5. So now let's just start building. We need one red block and one 10 block for number block 11. We put this block on the side here. The pieces for number block 11 are these two pieces. There's one, and now let's find the other. Let's find it. Not here, not here, and it's here. So, here are the faces. Let's put the faces on. And now we need to add this. So here is our number block 11. Now let's build number block 12. Let's try building number block 12 like this first. Then I'll show you something else. So this really doesn't look much like number block 12 here. Here's one way, and now I'll show you a different rectangle. Because 12 is super rectangle, not super duper rectangle. Instead of that, 18 is also super rectangle, but 24 is the first super duper rectangle. We don't even have. And we've got 4 blocks more. This one goes here, this one goes here, this one goes here. So let me see the problem with my number block. So first, our 12 blocks go straight down over here. There's 3 rows of 4. Number block 12. So now I need to put pieces and more blocks. So Mathlink Cubes can click in both directions, but you have to choose one direction. In more number block sets, some of them like 21 to 30, we have double-sided blocks. And here is 12. Now let's build number block 30. We have 10 of these blocks and 3 of these blocks. Let's see how we build number block 13. The 3 go on this side, and the numbering goes over there. So we've got the 3 here, and we've got the 10 here, and we've got a white piece here. And finally, we need a numbering. So this is number block 13. Now let's build number block 14. And number block 14 loves to skate. So we've also got 2 accessories. A helmet and a skateboard, you can see from here as well. Let's first put the faces and face plates and finally the last piece. The skateboard can also join to 14 like this, or it can go on his head. But the best way we're gonna build it is like this. So here's where the skateboard goes. Then we put a helmet. And finally, we put the numbering, which is this one. So this is number block 14. Let's build a super special secret agent, which is number block 15. And let's start building number block 15. So the base for the step squad shape is always 5 by 5 with a 6 in the middle. So it's a 9 blocks here, 9 here, that's just 9. So then you have this space, which is 13 blocks. You add the 4 at the bottom to start making the 1. You add this one to the side. And the other one down below. We can build her like this, or we can move everything one space back. You can find squares in step squads too. So after that, I'll show you with my friend 10 and they're there. And here we put 2 more pieces. But actually we don't need these because we're going to use them. And then we need a number link. And this is number block 15. Now let's build the super square 16. Number block 16 is also a super square. She's a 4x4. We use these blocks for number block 16. We don't need the 2. But in this set now, extra blocks will come. So then we just need this 10. 1 block over here. You can put in 2s or in 3s. However is better is where you need to put it. So, if there's a double click block, you don't double click it because then there'll be no space to put the numbering. So here I double click 2 blocks and now it'll be very hard to break anyway. So we click this one, like level 1 over here. And now we can keep building. So we need 1 and then you see here's 13 and now 3 more, which is a step squad. I got out of my 10. You don't put these ones here, but instead you connect them on the side. And now finally we need to put a numbering. We don't use these. So this is our finished number block 16. And now let's build number block 17. Let's separate all the blocks and build number block 17. For 17 we have so many pieces, like paint splats are the ones that we use. So here are the pieces. We've got 10 pieces for 17. Let's build it with our 17 blocks. Make the row taller. Put a blue block on top as well here. We also need to put a blue block. We'll do the blue block after, because here is where the green will go. You can make 2 number block 11s. It's like this. They're playing football. We're not doing that. We're building number block 17. We have 2 like this and 3 which go over here. That's 14. 50, 16, and then I'm going to put this block over here down. 17, but we can turn it around this block and change its shape so it'll look like this. There's always a place to put the numbering. Like you need this click hole, the one with the numbering clicks. Let's see from the cards how to build 17. It's this one. So the mouth goes over here. This big purple one over here. This one has nothing. This one has nothing as well. This one goes at the bottom over here. And here's the last piece. So this is number block 17. Now let's build number block 18. Number block 18 is made of to click these together so they're just bases for the next number blocks. Because we're going to do that. 6 blocks tall. For number block 18, these just look like a measurement array. Turn this around because actually these ones don't do that. Then you connect it from the side here to 10. Numbering faces, and here it is, number block 18. Now let's build 19. 19 is made of 19 blocks. 10 are white and 9 is in 3 different shades of grey. Here is number block 19. Now let's build 20. First we put a number link. Then we put a top hat. 20's tip top hat. Here's 20. All of these type of pieces are for 20, except from this one. And now we need to put number block 20 both times. So here is number block 20. Look at all of my number blocks 11 to 20. Let's look at all of our number blocks 1 to 20. Let's put our number block friends next to the 11 to 20s. 1 is next to 11 over here. But let's just make the full number. So here's 1. Here are 2 and 3. If there's a problem with your number blocks, you can print them out and glue the stickers on. So it doesn't matter. They'd look the same. Here's 3. Here's 4. Here's a square, so let's make him tall again. And put these faces on. So here is number block 4. Here is number block 5. Here is 6. Now it's 7. This is 8. Number block 9. We have the same issue with number block 9. The pieces. New number block 10. A new 10. So, and here's 10. Okay, now let's put them where they go. So let's move 11 to 20 over here. $17 over here, 16 over there, 15 here, 13, 12, 11, 10. Here come 9 and 8. Here's 9. Here's 8. Now lucky number 7. Number 6. Here 5 and 4. There's 3. 2 and 1. Look at my number blocks. 1 to 20. So there are more things that come in the set like these places. Whatever they're for, they're good. Here. They're tall faces. Let's try them on. We can build 11 like this. Or this. Let's slide 11 back. Now 12. You can build 12 like this or this. I think so these ones that we made look better, but I'll show you the exact faces for those ones. Now look at my number blocks. 1, 2, 120. These are my number blocks from 1 to 20. So go in and sing a song. Number block 6 is here. And she wants someone to go with her. Who should number block 6 go with? Number block 6 wants to go with 15. But 15 is not in the 6 times table. 6 says, I want to go with 13. I'm not in the 6 times table. 6 says she wants to go with 18. 18 can go with 16. 6. We are 6 and 18. We are 6 and 18. Bye. See you next time for more videos. Bye.